Hello everyone, it's Kevin DeSilva here, owner-founder of the Kevin DeSilva Group, and I'm bringing you February's market update in a nutshell. So, let's go into the market. Here's what's trending. The market remains flat. What is flat? Well, prices are flat. That's exactly what flat means. However, activity is up and we're starting to see multiple offers again here and there. Not every property, not every area, but it is becoming more common. Seller concessions are going away. I see the market trending up. Next month, all eyes will be on the Fed meeting mid-March to see what happens with interest rates. So that could change the trajectory of the year. Still, my outlook for the year is relatively flat, marginal price increases throughout the rest of the year. That said, we appear to have found a bottom. You might hear news articles stating that the world is falling apart. The reality is bad news sells better than good news. And I'm sorry to break that news to you. I don't know if that's bad news or good news. I'm not here to decipher. Anyway, we were down the most in August of last year. The peak was June of last year. We have settled into just a little over 12% down from June 2022. So prices have remained flat the last few months at about 12.2% below that market peak. That is for LA County, by the way. Whoops. Interest rates. Interest rates have come down 28% since November, which they peaked over 7%. We have lenders that we get you interest rates for under 5%, 4.75% from multiple lenders actually right now. So I would say if you're sitting on a 6% interest rate kind of loan, contact us and we'll get you in the 5s. Yep, that summarizes everything for the market. Let me give you my predictions for the rest of the year. I do expect prices to fill in throughout the year. We are approaching the spring buying season, so even if interest rates do go up, more activity in the market will mean that prices will fill in, fewer concessions. I don't necessarily see prices taking off though. That's my prediction number one. Number two, I already told you, all eyes will be on the Fed meeting in the middle of March. Now, keep this in mind. If interest rates stay flat, if they don't raise them, or say that they're going to raise them in March, if they don't continue to raise them after that, then we can expect prices to start to go up some more. But if they raise them some more, prices might come down a little bit because every time they raise it, the news just reports that the whole world is going to fall apart, as if we don't have enough of that. Not to be insensitive to some of the things that are going on today that are concerning, that break my heart. But as far as a large-scale global recession, I just don't see it happening. I think the recession has already passed. We're in the middle of it, but the 2 years of negative GDP growth 2 quarters of negative GDP growth actually took place in 2022 that classifies you as a recession. So we have already experienced a recession. A lot of people failed to remember that during the pandemic, especially in the early stages, that was a recession. So, for people who say that we never experienced a recession, we've actually now had 2 just in the last 4 years, or 3 to be technical. That said, just to summarize what happens with the Fed meeting, prices will go up if the Fed does not raise interest rates. Prices will remain flat. If anything, possibly even go down a little bit if interest rates do get taken up more in the future. So anyway, that's your summary. Those are my predictions. What is it? February 12th? Check back with me in June and let's see how accurate this one was. This is my first time giving predictions, not just report. You guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit subscribe below and leave a comment on your predictions. I want to hear from you.